तो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नवोदय वाले लाया है आपके लिए सैनिक एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का 9th क्लास का सिलेबस। तो आइए देखते हैं हम कि 9th क्लास के सिलेबस में कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट के अंदर कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ने हैं। तो सबसे पहले आता है जर्नल साइंस सब्जेक्ट, जिसमें सैनिक के एग्जाम में टोटल क्वेश्चन 25 आते हैं जो कि 50 मार्क्स कंटेन करते हैं। तो सबसे पहला हमारा टॉपिक क्या है जर्नल साइंस में? फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम। इसमें हमको जनरली पढ़ने को मिलता है कि कोल कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है, किस किस प्रोसेस से हमको कोल मिलता है, ये सारी चीजें इन डिटेल्स हम पढ़ते हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट चैप्टर आएगा कंबशन एंड फ्लेम्स। इसमें काफी सारी चीजें हम पढ़ेंगे, फ्लेम्स के बारे में, फायर के बारे में, कंबशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। फिर नेक्स्ट आएगा सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन। ये एक बायोलॉजी का टॉपिक है। इसमें हम पूरा पढ़ेंगे कि सेल एक कैसे स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ होती है, कैसे बॉडी की सबसे छोटी यूनिट पूरी बॉडी को चलाती है, कैसे सब कुछ होता है, इसके अंदर कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं, सारी चीजें ही हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे, इनके फंक्शंस भी पढ़ेंगे। फिर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स। इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स रिप्रोडक्शन करते हैं, कैसे उनकी स्पीशीज आगे ग्रो होती है, ये हम पढ़ेंगे। फिर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आएगा विच इज टॉपिक ऑफ फिजिक्स, force, friction and pressure, in which we will study about forces, different types of forces which we use in our daily life. And next topic is sound and its basics, which is also topic of physics, in which we will study about sounds. There are how many types of sounds: infrasonic, infrared, rays, and next reflection and dispersion, in which it is topic of physics, and we'll see that reflection, refraction, and how the rainbow is formed. And next topic is metal and non-metal. This is topic of chemistry, in which we'll start studying that how our daily life is connected with chemistry, and everything about metal and non-metals. In these both topics there are also metalloids, with which we will also study. Next topic is synthetic fiber and plastics, in which we will study about all the types of plastics, fiber which we use in our daily lives. We all know about plastic fibers. Next topic is chemical effect in electric current. This topic of physics, in which we will study about electric current in the connection of chemistry. Next topic is stars and solar system, in which we'll study about the whole universe, how it works, how many there are planets, and everything about our space. Next topic is pollution of air and water, in which we will study about pollution of airs, how many type of pollutions, and about water. Next topic is global warming, which is so important topic in these days, in which we'll study about global warming, how global warming is increasing day by day, how we can reduce this, and how we can prevent our society, our environment with global warming. Next topic is microorganism, in which we'll see that how many organisms are, how friendly we are with them, how many types of organisms, and we'll also study about everything in details. Next topic is some natural phenomena. Some natural phenomenon means we can see that example like earthquake, tsunami, tornado, cyclone. These are some natural phenomena which we usually see in our sometimes with the imbalancement of our global warming. So we'll study that. Next topic is how to find calorific value of fuel. This is so small topic and also so important. In this chapter, we'll study about how to find calorific value of fuel with formula. We'll also study about formula. So we can directly find the value of calorific value of fuel. Next topic is electroplanting and artificial jewelry. In this topic, we'll study about artificial jewelry, how they are made, and what is the use of these artificial jewelry in our daily life. Next topic is relation between force and friction, how we can connect with force and friction. We'll study about that in this topic. Next topic is cropping seasons. In this topic, we'll see about seasons, all the cropping seasons, what types of crops are grown in May, June, July. We'll see all of this in this topic. So the next topic is agricultural practices. In this topic, we'll see about the process of farming and everything about agriculture. How the farmers grow crops in their fields, how perfectly they are growing. Because with the help of agriculture, we are here. Farmers are so important for us. They grow crops and we eat food with the help of their farmers. They are so important for us. So the next topic is conservation of plant and animals. So how plants and animals are important to us, we have to know. And we also see about the revolutions. Generally, people cut so many animals for their needs, and so we have to conserve plants and animals, which is so important for our environment. The next topic we see biosphere reserves, national park and sanctuaries. These are made for reservation of our natural calamity, our natural resources, like plants and animals. We have to preserve the extinguishing species of plants and animals, with the help of which we have made the sanctuaries, biosphere reserve and national park for the reservation of plants and animals. Next topic is reaching the age of adolescence, in which we study about how the adult bodies grows from puberty, the duration of the puberty, how the for man, how the human body takes place, the changes in their body. We'll study about that in deep in this topic. Next is change during puberty, which is a same topic, with not exactly same, but the deep discussion of the puberty, what types of hormones are generated in these stages. We study about that. Next topic is endocrine glands and hormones. In this topic, we study about the endocrine glands and hormones. What types of hormones are there in our body and how they work. So the next topic of general science is, oh great, end of general science. So the next subject which comes over here is English. The total question of English in class 9th of school Sainik is 25, which contain 50 marks max. Here are also some topics. The whole syllabus will be completed by NAVODAYA WALE in this YouTube channel. So you have to continue watch this YouTube channel for more studying, for more creative way of studying. So we will start with the English. Spotting errors. This chapter in which we'll see about errors. We have to find errors. The next topic is comprehension passages, in which we'll see passages and we have to solve these passages, which is sometimes it's complicating, but it's easy topic. Next is antonyms, then synonyms. These are learning topics. We have to learn some antonyms and synonyms for this exam. Next topic is prepositions, then articles. We all know about articles. We already have studying these topics from since so many classes. We are here to study in detail these topics. We already know about these preposition, articles, types of verbs, tense forms, narration, active passive voice, models, confusing words, subject verb agreement, correct spellings. We all study these topics in English. Then next topic is order of words in a sentence, in which we can say that jumble words. We have to arrange all the words in a perfect meaning sentences. Next topic is idioms and phrases, which is also called as muhavre and lokoptiyan in Hindi. Next is sentence improvement. Then next topic is change of sentences as directed. As directed means all the instructions whichever is given in the question we have to study, and with the following we have to arrange the sentences. Then next topic is sentence formation, how we have to form the sentence with the help of subject, verb, object. Next topic is types of sentences. We'll study about types of sentences is this topic. How many types of sentences are there? The next topic is phrase and clause. We'll study about phrase and clause. We all know that phrases is a collection of words which doesn't make sense, perfect sense. Then next topic is kinds of noun. How many types of noun are there? We'll study about that in this topic. Next is adjectives, then interjection, question tags, adverbs, conjunctions, which join two sentences with a small word. Next is conditions, comparison of adjectives, personal pronoun, change of gender, which is so small topic. Then change of number. So here we have completed the English topics. So here comes social science, which contain total 25 questions and maximum marks is 50. First topic is Revolt 1857. We'll study about Revolt 57. Then next topic is freedom fighters. We'll study deep in freedom fighters, how they fought for our country and how they protect us from the Britishers. Next topic is social and caste reforms. We'll study about the reformers, how they reform our caste system. Then next is resource and sustainable, which is a topic of geography. How the resources are sustained for our next generation. We have to conserve our resources. We have to use we have to less use the resources for, we have to protect our all the resources for our next generations, so they can also better use for their lifestyles. Next topic is important freedom movement. We'll study about the important freedom movements in this topic, how they took movements for our freedom in that time. Next topic is rock cycle of water cycle. We'll study about the rock cycle in water cycle, means how the water cycle forms, and in the formation of water cycle, how many types of rock there form. Then pressure and wind system, how the wind system is blown in the whole environment, like cool breeze and land breeze. Then next is land, soil and water resources. In this topic, we will study about how many types of land, soil are there, and water resources, how we get water, how the villagers get water, what are the resources of their getting the waters, like tube wells, rivers, etc. Next topic is minerals and power resources, which in which we will study about the minerals. All types of minerals will get from different things. Next topic is Indian Constitution and secularism, in which we will study about the constitution, what our Indian Constitution provides us, what are the rights we have to know. Then importance of parliament, what is the importance of parliament. We have total seats in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We will study about this in this topic. Next is types of agriculture. We'll study about the types of agriculture in this topic in details. Then next, types of government and different tier of government. In this topic, we'll study about the different tier of government, means different levels of government. There means judge, high court, then supreme court. These are the tiers of government. Next, we'll study about understanding market. This is the analysis of a market, how we'll analyze the market. In this topic, we'll study about that. Next is elections, in which we'll deep study about the election, how they are conducted and what are the process of elections. Next topic is role of government in health. What are the role of government in health? We'll study about that, how government help people for improving their health. And in Indian Constitution, we have also right of constitutional remedies. We'll study about the health in this in detail. The next topic is where we were. Next topic is Delhi Sultanate. So we'll study about the Delhi Sultanate, what are the dynasties took control over in Delhi Sultanate. We'll study about that. Then how Mughal came in India, what were the movements, we'll study in Mughal topic. Then Bhakti and Sufi movements, which saints came in India and what movement they took, we'll study. Then interior of earth, in which we'll study about all the things related to earth, like core, mantle core. What are the effect of this layers in our earth, how they perform important role in our life. Then next is climate change, how the climate change according to our global warming. We'll study about that in this topic. The next topic is earthquake and major landforms. We'll see that how the earthquake take place and major landforms, how the land forms with tectonic plates, disturbance of tectonic plates. We'll see about that. So the next topic is types of rainfall. What types of our rainfall are there? How many types of rainfalls? How they come? We'll see about that. Next topic is major grasslands. We'll see about grasslands. What are the types of grasslands? So going ahead. Types of forest. We'll see about the types of forest in the next topic. How many types of forest are there, like evergreen forest, etc. Next topic is means of transport. What are the means of transport of humans? We'll see about that in this topic, like car, train, by foot. Next topic is communication. In this topic, we'll see about the ways of communication, how people communicate with others, like by speaking, by telephone, by letter, all about that. Next topic, life in desert. We'll see about life in desert, how plants and animals grew in a desert and how they spend their life in desert. We'll see about that in this topic. Next, panchayat system. What is the system of panchayat? We'll see about that in this topic. How the villagers suffer suffer from the every problems and how the panchayat is held over by the system. We'll see. Then we'll see about local self-government, law and social justice, how the law and social justice has made. Next, marginalization, judiciary and criminal justice system, everything about the system, judiciary system. Next, public facilities. What are the public facilities provided by the government for humans? Then natural vegetation and wildlife. We'll see about the natural vegetations, how they are protected, what are the important role of their in our lives. Then industries, how industries are growing day by day and affecting human lives and our global environment. Then human resource. What are the human resources which is already existing in our environment? Then changes in the arts. So here we have completed all the topics of social science. Here comes mathematics, in which total questions are 50, which contain maximum 200 parts. The total which contain maximum weightage of this examination. So the first topic is rational system, which in which we'll study about rational numbers, all about the rational system. Next, linear equation in one variable. In this topic, we'll study and we'll solve questions and we'll know deep about the linear equation, which we all know about that. Linear equation, which means we have the power is 1 in one variable. Next topic is understanding quadrilaterals. We'll study about the quadrilaterals. Next is data handling, which contain bar graph and line graph. We'll study about data handling. These all topics we have already studying with the various classes. We'll study deep in this classes. So the next topic is square and square roots. And cube roots. We'll study about the all square roots and cube roots in these topics. Then comparing quantities, percent, profit and loss. We'll study about profit and loss in this topic. Next, algebraic expression and identities. In this, we have so many formulas which we have to learn, most learning part. Then next, area and perimeters. In this topic, we'll study about all shapes, area and perimeters. Next, volume and surface area. In this chapter, we'll study about volumes and surface area of many shapes. These are all learning topics. Exponent and powers. In this topic, we'll study about exponent and powers, how they are solved, all the problems. Next, playing with numbers. Then visualizing solid shapes, triangle, which is main focused on Pythagoras theorem. We already have studying this. Euler's formula, then average, median and mode. It comes on statistics, under the statistics, then probability, pie chart, direct and inverse proportion, factorization, introduction to graph, unitary method. Then we'll study divisibility examples, triangle, angle sum property, parallel lines. So here the next topic is simple interest and compound interest. We will study about simple interest and compound interest in this topic. Then next, time and work, area and perimeter of circle. We will solve all the questions about area and perimeter of circle, algebraic expression which include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here we completed all the maths topic. Here comes reasoning, which contain total question of 25 and maximum marks is 50. So the topics are mathematical operations. First topic which we will study about mathematical operations. Next we will start with coding and decoding. Then next we will study clock. We will analyze the clock, how the solutions have been made. Then analogy. Then completion of figure. We will study about completion of figure. They have given three or four options which we have to arrange the figures. Then next is classification. Then topic is next blood relation, in which we will solve a question literally complicated. Then next is hidden and embedded figures. We will study ranking tests, series, sitting arrangement, how the questions are solved, like where am I, front and behind, back. Then next is distance, direction, logical Venn diagram. Then we study problem based alphabet test, logical sequence of words, word formation, how the words are formed, counting of figures, dice, question related to dice, how they are solved, which we will study in this topic, mirror image, which is so easy topic, water image and calendar. So here we completed with all the topics of class 9th Sainik school. These all topics we are going to cover in our channel. You all can join offline and online courses, and to join these courses you all can contact in these numbers which are showing in the screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned.